Hey guys! In this video we're going to be talking about the number of electrons that an atom has in its outmost shell. As we talked about in previous videos, in atoms of electrons exist in shells that surround the atom's nucleus. But how do we know how many electrons will be in an atom's outmost electron shell? The periodic table can help us answer this question. Each column is called a group. This is group 1, this is group 2, we're going to skip this middle section right here, group 3, group 4, and so on. So we have to locate the atom that we want. Let's say oxygen. And as we can see, it's in group 6. This tells us that oxygen has 6 electrons in its outmost shell. This is important. The group tells us the number of electrons in the atom's outermost shell. This is also called the atom's valence shell. Valence just means outer in our case. So, oxygen has 6 valence electrons in its valence shell, and that's all we need. But wait, I'll prove it to you. Let's take a look at this diagram of oxygen. And so now I want you to count up the number of electrons in the outermost shell. There's 6, see? Now let's move on.